Good morning, all. And you've got Glenn and Wolf and Tikaani over there with the dirty feet. So just go for a little walk listening to the birdies, and I thought I'd take the camera out and just listen to those lovely little birdies. It's the morning and the sun hasn't come up yet. Still dawn. There's going to chat. I want to chat. He's up there somewhere. Going chat. I want to chat. We've got some grass. An abandoned building over there. It's in pretty good condition. Not that old, I don't think. It's just a tin shed. There's one that's got a very pretty little Twitter. That one. See everybody. A sleepy husky puppy. She can barely keep her eyes open. Isn't she cute?